I can hardly believe it, but we're having dinner.
It's a kitty cat.
You're right. The kitty cat came downstairs. First time ever that I've seen this. He's just watching her. Monkey. Hey, Monk.
Hi, Mama.
Being a good boy, Bernie. I showed him his collar, too. And he's like, well, you know, it's probably not worth it. Come here, Burn. Be a good boy. Look at this shit. Really?
Oh, it's all gone.
Nope, she went around the corner. Monk. Monkey. Where'd you go? Where'd Monkey go? Oh, in the bathroom. Hi, Monk. Bernie, where's the cat? Bernie, come here. Sit. Good boy. Look at this. I don't even believe it. And maybe it's finally getting better. Like 6-8 months after the fact. Bernie, be a good boy. Focus, Bernie. That's a good boy. Anyway, there you go. Bernie, come here. Bernie, sit. Yeah, or down, whatever. Good boy. Not bad, huh? Wow.